Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Discord Community Platform Review My Group Communication Setup. Discord Community Platform Review My Group Communication Setup essentially refers to using Discord as your primary platform for group communication. It's targeted towards communities, teams, and groups who need a versatile platform for text, voice, and video communication. Key features include customizable servers, voice channels, video calls, file sharing, and integration with other apps. Their website provides details on the various features and pricing tiers. Discord boasts ease of use, a freemium model with transparent pricing and no hidden fees, and offers a far more interactive experience compared to traditional email lists or forum-based communities. It utilizes a modern, real-time communication infrastructure enabling quick and seamless interactions. Discord is available on virtually any device, be it desktop, mobile, or through a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Discord for group communication. Getting started was incredibly simple. Creating a server was straightforward, and customizing channels based on different topics or projects was a breeze. Navigating the interface is intuitive. I quickly got the hang of switching between text channels, joining voice calls, and sharing files. The performance was generally excellent. Voice and video calls were clear and stable, even with a large number of participants. I did have a quick question about roles and permissions, and their support documentation was comprehensive enough to resolve my issue without needing to contact support. I was really impressed by how easy it was to manage a large group, especially with features like roles and permissions allowing for fine-grained control over access and moderation. The standout feature for me was definitely the screen sharing during voice calls, which proved invaluable for collaborative work and presentations. One minor drawback was the occasional notification overload, especially when part of very active servers. It took me a little while to fine-tune my notification settings to avoid distractions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Discord as a group communication platform. It's versatile, powerful, and free to use for basic functionality, which makes it a great choice for various community needs. That's my overview of Discord Community Platform Review My Group Communication Setup. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.